Everybody, this is Jeremy from FairShares. Today we're going to be looking at our app home screen. So when you log into DistributionRisk Analytics, you're going to be taken to this app home screen here. This is where all of our apps and future software is going to live. As you can see, you can access distribution risk, portfolios and watch lists, this tutorial as well as other tutorials on software that we'll release. Our knowledge base where you can find a lot of answers to commonly asked questions as well as just general educational articles. And we're in beta, so we'd love to hear your feedback. What we can do better, what doesn't make sense, added functionality and features that you think would be a good addition to your trading and investing toolkits. We want to hear about all that. Additionally, we have a side navigation panel where you can navigate to any of the different FairShares distribution risk functionality from here, as well as manage your subscriptions and your payments, generate your invoices, etc., etc. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, that pretty much concludes our brief overview of the app home screen, where all of our software lives and where you can navigate around to the different features of distribution risk analytics, as well as access new software like RoboTax when we release it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so that you can be notified as we add new tutorials and new functionality. You can also follow us on Twitter at FairShares Inc. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.